Now we have go to the function of record. From record, we have the requirement of cannot be delayed by cashier, operator, or the record keep in the system automatically and cannot delete by hand. Okay. Now let's go to the function admission vehicle record. This function means for the parking lot now how many temporary car, how many season, how many cash, and how many VIP. We have a calculation from here. If we want to sorting from one period, you could setting the period from maybe May 1st to May 11. This period, how many cars we search. Okay, because our system is no record until now, so you cannot search from here. If you want to search, and you could use this function. After search, you could view the record and then print out or just the exit. Okay, this is a function for a record of admission vehicle record. Okay, exit. And also for the exit vehicle record, for example, we want to know a day how many cars go out from my parking and what time for this car going out. We could sorting from here one day and search. We have one record here, so we view this record, and also the plate number will show here. You compare with this vehicle number. Okay, then we view, print, and exit. Print and exit. Okay. This is a function of exit vehicle record and also operator shift record. For example, the person duty started and duty ended, we could starting from here search. We have the record for only one, the administrator for have how much he got and how much he paid and how much he collected in his duty. After sorting this record, we view, print out, and exit. Okay. Okay, this is a simple using of this record function.